Okay, slow down, look it left and right. Go. Go. Yes, left. Oh, dun sa school na? Oh, Trinity. Trinity Skibidi. Oh, what up? Kapom. Go straight, eh?
Look at the view.
Oh, wow. Look at the what? Oh, the view.
I can't believe we traveled this far.
Huh?
I can't believe we traveled this far.
You can believe we traveled this. Okay, go na. Continue. Can't believe we traveled this far. Okay, go right. Mga halaman magso. Always keep left, okay? You see that road? Yeah. No, keep left. Left. Okay, like half. If you're going this way, you use the right side of the road, but going that way, use the left side of the road. Okay, good job. Okay, keep going. The first time, bunsa. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight, and then keep left. Always keep left. Wow, this is our neighborhood. Aroy. Sus. Ay. Keep left, ha? Up. Oh, Trinity, oh. No? Trinity, new building. Yan ang likod ng ano. Ayan yung old building. Aroy. Up, keep left, ay. Keep left. Ay. Where's left? Oh, that's okay, keep going. Left. Oh, be careful. Ay, focus on the road. Okay, and keep left. Then turn left. Up. Not yet go home? Not yet? Why? How's the tour?
So good.
Huh? How's the tour?
Again.
Huh?
Again.